Hello, welcome to this new Kajabi tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how you can add some Google reviews to your Kajabi pages like this. We'll be using a embedded code. It's like a plugin, the plugins that we used to use on WordPress. You have to go to this page called trustmary.com and register. I will let the link below. But when you register, you have to click on display. In this case, we want to show our testimonials instead of getting new reviews. And then you have to add the website. For example, I will add my domain. So I copy and paste my domain here, and then I click here to get colors logo from my organization. Then click here, and you have to click on the platform. In this case is Google, so we have to click here, and you can type the name of your company, or you can add the Google Map URL. So let me add it here. Okay, it's this one, and then they will be collecting your reviews, and then you have to click on connect. It's really easy. After this, they will bring you to this dashboard where you can change the look of your reviews. For example, you have this layout, this one with more like something fixed. You have this like a list, and this like a wall. So if you want to the carousel, just click here, and then you can edit this header if you click here or here. Let's click on. So I don't want to show this title here, so just click here, and then I don't want this, so click here, and then I have only my reviews. That is what I want. You can also change some words or translate your reviews from English to Spanish. So for example, this will be in Spanish. If you click on English, will be English, and change some words here. You can add custom CSS, but if you want to make some specific changes, add some codes. And to erase the branding of Trust Mary, you have to pay the subscription, but it's not necessary. I think it's something that can be there. So yeah, so after this, you have to click on apply changes. You can check how it will look on mobile and tablet. So click here, apply changes, and then click on here, add to website, and it's gonna show you this code. So you can just copy the code and go to your Kajabi page. And for example, I want to add them here, so go to the section, click on add content, and then click on custom code here, and you only have to paste your code here, and you can change the sizing, save. Let's see how it looks. So let's scroll down, and you have your reviews here. It's really easy. You can use this platform or another. If you Google this, you'll see that many companies offer this service, so you can change or use the one that you prefer. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I will give you freebie course to improve your photos. The link is on the description, so see you there. Bye bye.